Okay, so I'm leaving for Seoul, leaving for Hong Kong in like fucking 20 minutes. I gotta fucking pack. I don't know why I always do this to myself, but yeah, a little time lapse. Here we go. So, bit of a mess right now. I just, as usual, running to the freaking airport. But, last minute flight booked like 36 hours ago to Hong Kong. So it's basically it's chuseok in Korea right now, which is like their Thanksgiving. It's a holiday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there's no school for me, and I'm right now it's Sunday. So yeah, I'm in Hong Kong, visit some family members. I haven't seen them in like over 5 years, so it'll be fun. But yeah, I'm excited for some great food, to see the family. And yeah, I think this is my subway. I have to enter right now, so I will see you guys later. I'll be paying attention right now, not filming, but this is a pretty cool, what do you call it, like train station. The one in Antwerp was probably the coolest one I've seen in Belgium, but this is, you know, it's not too bad, not too shabby, but decent to myself. Okay, yeah, I need to figure out where I'm going, so I'm gonna stop the vlog. Okay, now this is kind of cool. I've never seen a move theater like this, where it goes at an angle upwards instead of like flat, like a traditional escalator. It's pretty sick. Look at this. What? Okay. Oh, we made it. Come on now, you can't just tell me that this is not sick, right? Like in an airport, like look. Dude. It's in Riot Games Arcade in the airport. I have to check this out. Okay, so apparently you can play games in here. So I'm just gonna look around because I don't think I have time after board in an hour. But wow, shit, you can play games in here. What is it, like Valorant or something? What is this? Cool. Huh. It is Valorant. Apparently you get a free water if you get 5 stamps, so I'm pretty freaking thirsty, so I'm gonna do this. So I don't think I can do this with 2 hands, but basically you stamp it. It's like that, so let me let's do this maybe. This works. Kind of failed. But yeah, we'll keep going.
Started?
Okay. Shoot. Oh my god, tired. Well, I feel like greasy as shit. Every time I hop on a plane, I feel disgusting. But made it to Hong Kong. Welcome to immigration. Gonna take a train to Central Station where my family will pick me up. My uncle, aunt, and my younger cousin. So fucking thriving. Oh, it's like a fucking apocalypse. Look at that. What the fuck? Holy shit. pretty late. It's 8 to 5. I can't believe I left my place at 11 a.m. like 11:10. I seriously underestimate how long travel takes, but fuck, I guess I would have just been sitting around over the Chuseok holiday. So yeah, we're here. This is the view from my uncle's place in Hong Kong. It's pretty nice, actually. Wandering the streets of Stanley, Hong Kong at like 8:30 p.m. by myself. I was just in the little plaza boardwalk area. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, but I was bored. So I was like, why not? Holy fuck. This is a long walk home though. Fuck. It's also like 30 freaking degrees out still, humidity. It's like, it feels like 37. Fuck! What am I doing? Fuck am I doing? Just woke up, as you can surely tell. Last day in Hong Kong, so look at that view. It's pretty beautiful, man. It's too city for me, but it's pretty beautiful. I mean, like, look at that. It's pretty cool, the rock formations. Where? Okay, so this is Quinn back from the food review. Today we're eating some nice bakehouse from Hong Kong. This is a tiramisu Danish. Fire. Tastes fire. Tastes so fire. I'll save some of the rest of it for later. This is the vanilla strawberry Danish, I think. Let's see how this is. I'm gonna get more of the. I just got the crust. I was like, ah. Pretty fire. I've had to have a taste like this before though. Tiramisu Danish. I've never seen it before. And tomorrow morning I have this ham cheese croissant. Pretty basic, but long day of traveling tomorrow. 9:30 flight from Hong Kong to Seoul. Probably won't get back to my place till like $4:35. So I'm tired. That's crazy. My goodness.
When I'm driving, I want to one faster, but here's I want to I want to feel the how is it?
Now this is segregation, if I've ever seen it. Business. That's freaking hilarious. Well, I'm greasy, I need to shower. I need to eat. I need to shave. I'm tired as hell. But we made it back. We made it back to Korea. So I'm just gonna get the hell out of the airport, take the train to the Seoul station, and then get back to my place and just wash up and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I need to go this way. Let me just make sure. Is bus ticket? Okay, yeah, I'll figure this out. This is bus, not railroad. No train. Train. Okay. Fuck. I'll go figure this out. Here, tourist information desk. Hi there. If I want to take the AirX, do I buy ticket over there? Okay. Okay. Elevator, one floor down, and then go buy the ticket. Let's fucking go.